Oh, how you
Yo,
doing?
Somali? You're Somali?
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait,
I
how old are
see,
you?
I
How
see.
old are you?
I'm 20.
You 20? Should I guess your ethnicity?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Give me one hit. Give me one hit. Cause my hit,
I'm not,
you already see the flag.
I'm not giving you no hints because you will know.
Give me one hit.
Oh, what do I look like to you? Okay, look.
You look pretty. You look like my future wife.
Be for real, bro. Come on.
Mm, Iraq.
Huh?
You from Iraq? Iraq? Iran. You f-
Iran?
you from Iran?
Who's helping you?
Nobody helping me. I can just say about it pretty. Like I can just say how pretty you are.
You were very close. I'm from Iraq.
That's what I said first. I said Iraq. You said huh? So I changed to Iran.
No, you said Iraq. Like, complete it, man.
Yeah, I was like kind of, I didn't know which one to pick between
Mm,
Iraq and Iran. Like, but you
it's
look
very
mad
close.
beautiful though. You live in Australia?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Bella.
Bella? Oh, mashallah, mashallah. That sounds cute. But
Thank
shit,
you. Yours?
uh, you should know, man. My name Abdi. I'm Somali.
Abdi. Abudi.
My name Abdi. You should know that. Now
That's
I'm
crazy.
just playing with you. My name's Zach. My name's Zach.
Why are you lying now? No, no, I
Cause
feel
I
like
was
the
just
first one is
messing with you.
real.
I was messing with you. That's like
Why are you laughing? I don't believe you now. Zach does not suit you.
what?
Zach does not suit you.